Okay, it's easy, just push. So there's a few people playing football, so that's gonna be a little challenge. Try not to hit them. So yeah, I found that this door is open as well, so I could even fly through here, get some shots. Obviously, I didn't bring the right shoes for this. Should I? Right, so I lost the headband, so. This is gonna be such a nerve-wracking flight. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm actually so scared. Pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. Right, let's get this recording. So
So yeah, now I'm just in normal mode, just testing around, looking about for some small gaps, big gaps, wide gaps, things to orbit. Just letting my mind just be free. And one thing about FPV, crashing's part of the so you don't have to worry when you crash. Just get up, go find the drone, fix whatever's broken, continue moving. That's the peace of FPV. Not having to worry. Just train your mind. Just you, the goggles, and your controller. That's why we love FPV. So yeah, I've just literally practiced getting used to the pause button. Obviously using the Dji Avata, that is the main advantage. Is you do have over some traditional FPV drones, you have a lot of fail-safe. It has downward facing sensors, you can always go into normal mode if something goes wrong, and just GPS hover. I don't really use it for that. I'd say normal mode is more for tight spaces, smooth slopes and a nice shot. Sports mode's more when you're outside, a bit more speed, same thing as normal, but just a bit more grand. Manual mode, leave that for the professionals. One thing about FPV, it just feels like skateboarding in air, but no one else will understand, neither the Karens. When my mum sees me put on my goggles, she's like, what the hell are you doing? This world of today has changed. But that's all for the massive experience of freedom of your mind. FPV to the world and back.
The wind is tackling this drone. The wind is tackling this drone, I must say. Yeah, the wind is not having it, my guy. The wind is not having it. It's even hitting me, the wind. I can feel the Avata fighting. There's a little jaw. I don't know if it's raining, but it does feel a bit odd. Don't know if it's raining, but it does feel, I do feel a bit of drops. So I'm gonna go to the orbit in this hole. Yeah, I think I just got a speck of rain on the drone. So I'm trying to get that one more last shot. Oh. Oh, I kind of hesitated last moment. Oh no! Come in, go around, come back out, and then come back through this little gap here. So I think my problem is the wind is pretty much blowing across this way. Pretty much I'll be literally looking, if I'm lining up here, I'm pretty much thinking, all right, I'm gonna do a right turn, right exit, immediately up in the air. So when you're approaching gaps, that's one tip. Look how it's catched on court so neat and nicely. Oh my days, part of being FPV. So the drone, literally, yeah, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened with that one. It was crazy, but so far we've only got one little tiny scratch, and this can be changed. So I'm not really stressed. The main thing for me is the props, which what I had to learn is to not take this off in grass, dirt or sand. Always have a flat landing surface for these, as the motors are, as you can see below. So there's a bit of grass and ingress in it, but that's fine. We'll get it all cleaned out. So far, I think I'm a little bit happy with everything I've got. There's starting to become a few more dog walkers. So just to save myself and the Karens and protect my drone, I am going to end this one here. So once again, guys, if you enjoyed the FPV footage that you've just seen or the video, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like and comment if you would like to see more. Thank you.